The Boy Who Cried Wolf. I'm bored. Wolf! Colin, where is the wolf? Ha 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 ha. I tricked you. The very next day. Wolf! Wolf!
Son, the next time you cry wolf, no one will be here to help you.
If you wanted us to trust you, you shouldn't lie. All right.
2 weeks later. Roar. Ah! A pink lion! Ah!
That sounded really close. He sounded like he was really in trouble.
There's no way he's telling the truth. A wolf and now a pink lion? I'm going back to bed.
No one believes a liar. Always tell the truth.